Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we are on day 23 of the 31 Days of Halloween series, and we're going to use dip powders from Double Dip to create a spooky Halloween mani. Now these colors are perfect for the Halloween season. We're going to start off with Tipsy, which is a really pretty, it's like a bright neon purple, and then it has like these, almost like a maroon like raspberry colored fine glitters in here, which really just make that purple pop. And then it also glows in the dark, which I did not find out it glowed until after this video. So I was like, oh man, that is so cool because it glows blue. So super awesome. And then we're also going to use another color today, which is a triple thermal. And wait till you see this triple thermal in action. It is called Witch's Honor, and it is by far the funnest, spookiest Halloween thermal ever. And what I mean by that is that when it's colder, it has like this really pretty purple to like really dark gray, but almost black changeness to it. And then when it's warmer, it's like this spooky green color. It also has these green foils in it, which is just, I don't, to me, that like is the deal for me because it like tied in all this spookiness to it. So super fun. And spoiler alert, those foils did not bleed, so they were just so fun. They were giving me almost like Creature of the Black Lagoon kind of vibes. And these two dips, no matter how you coordinate them, they're going to be perfect for Halloween. All right, so we are on day 23 of the 31 Days of Halloween series. We are moving right along. So remember, there will be that image that's going to randomly pop up. It is a Halloween related image. That's going to be the image you need for your giveaway form that can be found in that description box below. It is a Google form. Click on that Google form, fill out your name and your email address, and then there's a multiple choice question that's going to ask what image did you see during today's video. Select the correct one, hit submit, and then that is your entry for today's giveaway. So super fun. We've been having a lot of fun here with this 31 Days of Halloween series. And if you watched yesterday's video, you heard there is going to be some ways to get some bonus entries. So stay tuned for that because that is right around the corner. All right, so let's dive into this mani here and get into some spooky music, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. All right, so I'm just moving around this decal here exactly where I want it before I go in with this flat brush that does have a little bit of acetone on it. I like using the 100% pure acetone. I feel like it works better on decals versus the acetone that has any nail strengthener or vitamins in it. And I'm just gently pressing this down with that flat brush here, and I'm just carefully melting down that extra. You also could cut it. I just like melting it down here on the side and working with it slowly, just in case. I always like am fearful that I'm going to take away too much if I cut it, so that's why I prefer to do it this way. But love it so much, I'm just going to gently press it down. I just feel like this Jack Skeleton decal or nail wrap was like the perfect thing to tie in these colors. Then to seal in this decal, I'm going to go in with a layer of gel base. I'm also going to cap that free edge just to make sure everything is sealed in. I don't want to risk it lifting up. And then I cure that for 30 seconds. And then to finish up this mani, we're going in with a layer of gel top coat on the rest of the nails here, including that nail wrapped nail. And I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, and I'm going to do the rest of the nails off camera. And here's the finished mani. So you can see those two nails right there with that thermal change have that really fun, like spooky greenness to it. And then those pops of green foils, it just, I don't know, it gets me every time. I feel like it's very spooky. And then Tipsy is just like that perfect bright Halloween purple, but yet it has like the most like gorgeous raspberry sparkle in there. Overall, super pretty. And then you can see that color changing is getting darker, and it will get darker as the colors change, but just a really fun. Thermals are really a great way to add a little bit of extra if you're not like into nail art. Thermals are a great way to add a little extra like nail art kind of effortlessly to your nails, if that makes sense, because you're getting a thermal change effect. So that's always another option if you are not into like any nail art or something like that. But overall, these dip powders performed amazingly, especially with the gel method, and that thermal is fantastic. Obviously, you can clearly see that I'm obsessed with that color. All right, so you can find everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Don't forget to fill out your Google form for today's giveaway entry, and I'll see you all in the next spooky one.